Hello and welcome to a 2023 full review of a Audi Q8 50 TDI, coming in a few moments. Before we go any further, special thanks to Porsche Inter Auto here in Zagreb. I will put all their info in the description below for making this video possible. And let's go ahead and check this Audi Q8 50 TDI. On this passenger side profile you can see how cool this dark blue Navarra metallic paint looks. And here, of course, like I said, it's in S-Line trim. You have this very nice and small S-Line badge, and of course black side mirrors. S-Line is also in black pack, so you have tinted rear windows, but you also have this all this strip around the windows is finished in black, as I said earlier, black side mirrors, and also we have this side profile here finished in black. So yeah, very nice and very sporty design. Here in the back we have Quattro lettering here on the right. In the center we have blacked out Audi logo with some license plate, and also here we have parking camera. In this lower area, as usual, we have parking sensors, and here on the left Q8 lettering. Very nice and very cool design of a rear end. Just a quick look here on the last 3/4 of a driver's side. We have a shark antenna on the roof, and also we have this very small but very cool looking spoiler type of on this rear end. The also very good thing is that we have rear wiper, which is very handy. Now let's talk a little bit about the wheels and tires. Here we have 22-inch tires, which is absolutely massive, and we have very nice design of a Audi alloy wheels. If you remember, and if you haven't already, please check my other Q8 full review of a 55 TFS IE model, which was finished in Mythos black metallic and has 23-inch alloy wheels, which is just huge, really. But this is a very nice design, and also, as you can see, we have red brake calipers. So just a quick look on this driver side profile, this Audi Q8, and let me know in the comment section which one would you choose if you are going to pick Audi Q8. Would it be this 50 TDI diesel variant, or maybe petrol powered, or actually hybrid powered 55 TFS IE model that I reviewed recently? This actually sums it up, this quick exterior walk around of this Audi Q8. Of course, let's go ahead and check the boot space and practicality. So this is a boot space of a Audi Q8. 605 liters is the official number. The very nice thing is that when you open these rear doors, you won't get hit with your head, which is very nice. I'm 184 centimeters, and there is no way that I would in any means hit my head on this plastic cover. Also, you see this is fully electronically operated rear doors. Practicality test of this boot space. We have one LED lamp here on these doors. Also we have one here on the right, and also here on the left. Here we have this cover, which looks very nice and very premium feel. On the left we have some nets over there, and also over here with some hooks over here. And the one thing that I like to mention is this very nice material here in the back. So yeah, very nice design, very square shape, and also very good feature is if you have some type of heavier items, you can easily slide it in your boot space. Also, this vehicle has air suspension, so you can easily get it a little bit lower or higher if you have some heavier items. Very nice and very cool design. And close this boot lid, of course electronically. Into a rear seats of this Audi Q8. This is actually here the main difference between Q8 and Q7, which I reviewed a couple of weeks ago. If you want to check that video, I will put the link in the description below. As you can see, because this is a coupe style of SUV, you don't have that cover over the windows. Material quality overall very good and very nice. Just a quick update, we have a very cool LED logo here on the floor which says S. Materials, very nice and very premium feel. Very cool design. Also, I always like when Audi has its S-line interiors with this Alcantara type of fabric, which is actually very nice and very soft. Also, here we have some storage. It's actually some type of ashtray, and in here we have also even more storage for maybe 2 half-a liter of bottles. And as you can see, we have upgraded premium surround system. So, welcome to a rear seat of a Audi Q8. This driving seat in front of me is for my ideal driving position. I am about 184 centimeters. As you can see, I have plenty of knee room, plenty of foot room, and also, as you can see, it's very easy to get in and out. Also, for my head, this is some type of coupe SUV, but for my head I also have a couple of centimeters to spare, so yeah, thumbs up for that. Very nice also feature is that we have this plastic cover here behind this driver's seat, and we have also these nets over here. One also very nice feature is that we have our own air vents over here, and as you can see, we have this very nice and very big center armrest, which if you are going to carry 2 adults in the back, no problem at all. You can go a couple hundred kilometers in this vehicle, no problem at all. You have also here cup holders, very nice. And the one thing that I have to point out is that you have a very nice and very soft leather in this Audi Q8. Very nice and very cool feature is also this light gray stitching. Here on a passenger front seat we have very nice this S-Line logo here, and also S-Line logo, LED logo on a floor. As you can see, we have fully electronically operated front seats, which is a very nice and very premium feature. And this is a quick look on an interior, more of that when I go on a driver's seat. And now you can actually see this very nice leather seat, which looks absolutely stunning, and it feels very nice with this very cool Audi S badge here in the back. Let's go ahead and check the driver's seat. Materials here on a driver's seat. Sorry for the noise behind me. I'm here in Audi dealership, so of course there is a lot of people, so sorry about that. Materials are very nice, excellent actually, and of course you have even more storage here on a front door than in the back. Just a quick look on a interior, and let's go ahead and check the interior. Welcome to a interior, or actually driving seat, of this Audi Q8. Now just take a look on this digital instrument cluster here on this center infotainment screen. I will just go quickly with some features. As you can see, a very nice graphics, a very nice design. We have all our info, or actually our climate stuff, here on this lower area, and here on this center area we have all the infotainment screen, navigation, radio, or something like that. This is very nice and very clean design, so I think this will age very nice. And also, like I said, this system is very good because not only it's separated climate and the infotainment screen, it's also good that when you press something you hear that click. So yeah, thumbs up for that, and a very nice thing. Here on this center area we have our very nice and very cool looking this gear lever. We also have some 2 cup holders here and some storage. This is very nice, finished in piano black. We have very nice and very big center armrest for 2 adults, more than enough. We also have here charging port with some also 2 USB ports. So yeah, very nice materials and very nice design. And also one great feature being an S-Line model is this very nice and very cool looking steering wheel. Overall design and overall features are very easy to operate, so it will be no problem at all. I will turn this off, this infotainment system, and here on the left you have all your features for your lights. So yeah, very easy to operate and very nice design. Also, the one feature that I didn't point out is that this particular model, it has soft closing doors, so I will show you. And now you can hear that click, and the window goes up. Very, very nice and cool and premium, of course, feature. Just a quick look and sneak peek on the interior of this Audi Q8. Now let's go ahead and check the LED daytime running lights and also the turn signals. These are the front daytime running lights. These are daytime running lights here in the back, and also now you can see very cool and very nice looking dynamic turn signals here on the back. Let's go ahead and check the front. So LED dynamic turn signals here on the front. And also, as you can see on a side mirrors, we have LED turn signal. This is the end of my full review of this 2023 Audi Q8 50 TDI model in S-Line exterior and interior. Special thanks again to Porsche Inter Auto here in Zagreb for making this video possible. I will put all their info in the description below so you can check them out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and wish you all a very nice day.